maybe around, luckily we'll have around 10 entries on board.
Total, how many participants are participating?
We are expecting about 90 to 100 participants.
How many youths are participating?
You're talking about the young junior category. We have about 16 or 17 of them, which are participating in the two classes, which are under 16. So we have 8 to 10, 10 to 14, and we have the 14 to 16 category. So they are divided into three categories.
So any youth who is topping?
There are a couple of junior category riders, especially person who's represented India in the AMA championship in US. He's just recently come back. His name is Vishmay Ram. He's 10 years old from Bangalore. He's riding a KTM 50cc. So he's got very good potential. We have a lady rider also called Alina Sheikh, who will be participating in the class 7 category, which is between 10 and 14 years. Nation where everybody loves to come. If we have a ground, or if they have a facility like this, where people can come and train, and we can have coaches coming and training, and separate permanent track and all that, it will give a boost to tourism in Goa, as well as the riders, the local riders in Goa. And we have seen that in the past, Goa has produced national champions, expert riders and all that. So it is there, the sport is there. Somebody has to just take it up. Now that taking into consideration, we will start the event by about 12:31, and it will go up to about 5 o'clock. So that sums up our Supercross National Championship. If you have any questions, please go ahead and ask them.
How many states will you participate?
Sorry?
How many states?
It's a national championship, so all the states, people from all over the country will be participating. There is Swapnil. I think Anand can answer this question.
Like going in that direction, like for me, it's almost 25 years into racing, and we are getting promised. But the thing is that wherever we go, we don't get that area. So there are promises, a lot of promises, but this time we are hoping to get the ground done. As Javed can explain to you in Konkani as well, as much. That
आणि हांव सुपरक्रॉस रायडर. हांव सरकारा कडेन मागता आनी फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मिडिया तुमकां थँक्यू म्हणटा की तुमी आज हिंगा येयला. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हांव गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन मागता की आमचे कडेन एक ग्रावंड ना मोटोक्रॉसा लागून आनी सुपरक्रॉसा लागून. एक बायक रेसींग जाता जाल्यार आमचे कडेन शेतकारा कडेन मातशें तेंचे कडेन मागपाक पडटा की आमकां एक रेस करपाक तुमी मातशें आमकां एनओसी दिया म्हणून, एक परमिशन दिया म्हणून. आतां हांव श्याम सराकूय थँक्यू म्हणटा की तो इव्हेंट येदो व्हडलो इव्हेंट तेजो MRF चॅम्पियनशीप गॉड स्पिटाचो तेणें 5th रावंड इन गोंयान हाडला म्हणून. ताका हांव देव बरें करूं म्हणटा की तेणें हो रावंड गोंयान हाडला म्हणून. आनी हे जे मोटोक्रॉस जी आमची सुपरक्रॉस जी रेस जाता ही गोंयान आमी एक भुरग्यांक दाखोवपाक सोदता की ही रेस आसा म्हणून, आनी लोकांकूय दाखोवपाक सोदता की ही रेस जाता म्हणून. ऑलरेडी ही रेस बॉम्बे, पुना, दिल्ली हे चालूच आसता. आमच्या गोंयांत कितें जायना की आमचे कडेन ग्रावंड ना म्हणून. आतां आमी एक रिक्वेस्ट करून हे लोकांक नावेलीकारांक देव बरें करता म्हणटा तांकां सगल्यांक की आमकां आमी एक ग्रावंड एक रेस करपाक एग्री केलें म्हणून. देव बरें.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.